Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host Alex. Today we're diving into a fascinating word, born. It's an A1 level verb that means to come into life. So when we say someone was born, we're talking about the moment they started their life outside of their mother's body. It's a very fundamental word, really. You can hear it all the time. Let's look at how it's used. For example, she was born in 1995. Or, my cat was born in the spring. Now, let's talk about synonyms. Words that have a similar meaning. A couple of useful synonyms for born include brought into the world and came into being. You could say, the idea was brought into the world through a collaboration. Or, the project came into being after months of planning. These are slightly more formal than simply saying born. Now, let's look at antonyms, words with opposite meanings. Some antonyms for born would be died or passed away. An example using died would be, the old tree finally died after many years. And we could say, her grandfather passed away peacefully in his sleep, using passed away. As you can see, they indicate the end of life, the opposite of being born. How do we use born in everyday life? Well, you might hear someone say, I was born and raised here, meaning they lived in a place from childhood. Or someone might ask, when were you born? A common phrase also is to be born with a silver spoon in one's mouth, meaning to be born into a wealthy family. More usage examples include sentences such as, the baby was born at 2:15 p.m. Or he was born with a natural talent for music. Another example could be, she was born to be a teacher. And finally, my interest in art was born from my travels. So, to recap, today we explored the word born, an A1 level verb meaning to come into life. We looked at synonyms like brought into the world and came into being, and antonyms like died and passed away. We also discussed how we use born in everyday conversations. Thank you so much for joining me today on Hello Word. Please remember to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. And we love to hear from you. So please try creating your own sentence using the word born and share it in the comments below this video. I'll see you all next time.